Turning to the weather watch right now, a rainy day out there, not super nice, but the good news is we're missing the sun and we're going to get it.
The good news is that it wasn't snow.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
A little bit in the morning.
Yeah.
It's good for you because you don't like snow.
Right, a lot of people want it.
But snow lovers are like, what is happening? And I actually took a look at that tonight. So what I did tonight was look at similar winters that started off cold, were really front heavy because we had 22 inches of snow in Windsor Locks in December, and then ended up turning out really mild. And I compared those top 10 winters that compared the best to this one. And this is what I ended up finding out. Drum roll, please. For the rest of winter, compared to past winters that were very similar to this one, the remainder of winter was warm 60% of the time, and it was mild 20% of the time. We only had about 20% of the outcomes of those similar winters that were average or cooler than average. So if the past has any indication of what could happen in the future, we're going to continue to see above average temperatures. That being said, that doesn't mean that you can't have cool snaps. That doesn't mean that you can't see snow, but it does start to get a little bit harder, and you need to get everything to line up just right. Another thing that we look at is the Arctic oscillation. That looks positive well into March, but some of our computer guidance is actually showing that we might be able to see a switch in the weather pattern in early March. I don't know, you guys, when you look at long-term computer guidance, looking ahead about a month or so, it can get pretty dicey. I'll believe it when I see it. That being said, I did think that this was interesting. In past winters, we have remained above average so far. Now, I want to show you something that's kind of almost insulting because this is what one of our computer models is projecting for snowfall totals through Friday evening. Come on, snow to the north, snow to the south, the Carolinas getting more snow than us, and there's this big hole here over Connecticut where there's just crickets, nothing falling from the sky. So it's just kind of a sign of what we've already had so far this winter, and that kind of continuing here. All right, satellite and radar showing a few showers that are left over out there, and temperatures that are close to the freezing point for some in northwestern Connecticut. For the most part, though, we're just talking about wet roadways tonight. You can see another round of showers that'll be moving in here, but after about 1 a.m. or so, we really start to dry out in earnest. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s out there currently, closer to 40 degrees right now for areas like Bridgeport. Low temperatures tonight will be around the freezing point, but I don't think we get there for areas like Windham or Stafford or Torrington until this already clears out. It'll also turn a little bit breezy, so that should also help to kind of fan the roads and dry them out before those temperatures drop. That being said, check in with Dan Amaranti, Matt Scott tomorrow morning just in case. Tomorrow looks like a beautiful day, lots of sunshine, but it will be windy. We could see gusts up to about 35 or 40 miles per hour, especially as we head through the early afternoon. That's kind of the sweet spot that we're going to be looking for. But overall, I think it'll be breezy throughout the day tomorrow. Nothing damaging, just enough that you're kind of noticing that wind for us out there. That wind pumping in some cooler air for Thursday and Friday. High temperatures both of those days will be right around the freezing point, but it doesn't last. We're already warming right back up into the upper 40s heading into this weekend, which looks really nice. Not only is it warm, but we're also talking about plenty of sunshine out there. The next storm that arrives will be Monday into Tuesday, but that looks like it will bring us rain with temperatures not only above freezing, but quite mild, close to 50 degrees by Tuesday. Your shoreline 7-day upper 40s for Saturday and Sunday with lots of sunshine, guys.